All right, guys. So we got Wild and Organics. This is their Bacopa, but what we're going to be looking at today is going to be the Bacopa Monnieri. So these are essentially the same. You have the liquid form right here. We're going to dial into the actual pill form that you get. So this Bacopa is going to be a pill form. So it's a dietary supplement that you're able to take. You take one capsule per day with food or as recommended by a physician, obviously. So checking it out, let's go ahead and get over to the ingredients. They're able to pump in a lot more in this one. So this has the 600 milligrams of organic Bacopa extract, the Bacopa Monnieri leaf. Whereas on the other ones, you're going to notice that you only have like a 450 milligrams. So if you're looking for more punch, this is going to provide it for you. So let's go ahead and crack it open, see if there's any smell or any interest in any of these capsules that you have. Again, got the bottle itself, all the cool same details on it, gives you all the details with regards to from a physician side of things, and then supplements, and there you have it. So a big thing you want to do is make sure, you do have a proper seal on these, but they always come prepared. So you can either crank it off and break the seal, just like so, and then there you have it. So already on. Next thing, let's go ahead and take a look at these guys. So pretty decent size with regards to it, really spongy, which is nice. Definitely has a little bit of a herby, leafy smell to it. So that's something to think about. This is a 90-day supplement. So these capsules, you're doing one a day. You've got 90 capsules with regards to it. So that's super important. But you got to check it out. I'm already testing out the liquid form, and I can't wait to get into the actual pill form here so we can see what this is going to be like, see if I can notice any differences with regards to what Bacopa is good for. So guys, at the end of the day, you know what you need to do. If you're interested, check it out when it comes to Wild and Organics Bacopa Monnieri. Check it out, guys.